Going on. I know, haven't posted in a while. So today what we're gonna be doing is I'm changing the bulbs on the beamer. So I've got it tinted yellow right now. But what I wanna do, I'm gonna put yellow bulbs just to make it even better. So here it is. So the way we gotta do it, you gotta turn the steering wheel. You gotta turn the wheels the other way. You remove this one. There's another one here. And then you remove one right here. So you remove those three, lift it, and you're gonna be able to get it at the fog light. So let's get to it. Brighter, sorry about that. So yeah, pretty easy install once you take that. Once you remove those screws, you pull it back, take the bulb out, put a new bulb in, and there we go. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, that's right, nice little spoiler added to the back. Alright guys, we'll keep in tune, keep in touch, stay tuned because a lot more mods to come. Alright. I just want to show you the exhaust one more time. Oh yeah.